Hi, I'm Emma, and today I'm going to make a face cloth mitt using a microfibre cloth from the supermarket. I clean everything in our house with these without needing loads of chemical cleaners, and I thought if they're gentle enough to remove dirt and grease on glass surfaces, why couldn't I use it to remove makeup from my skin? And it works, using just water. It even gets rid of my mascara. So if you want to send less rubbish to landfill while saving money on cleansers and cotton wool pads, keep watching and I'll show you how to make 2 mitts from one cloth. This is what you'll need: a microfibre cloth, a pencil and ruler, some pins, scissors, thread and some machine needles for jersey fabric. I chose a soft cloth because it'll go against my skin, and this one has one side that's slightly fluffier, so I'll call this the right side of the fabric. Fold the cloth in half with the right sides together, matching the edges, and smooth it flat with your hand. Fold the cloth in half again, making a square, and again match the edges, and then use a pin to mark the fold line at each edge. Open it up, and then using a ruler, draw a line from one side to the other. Oh gosh, these pins are in the way. Then put a couple of pins either side of the line through both layers of fabric. And at each corner, just making sure the edges are matched up again. Now I'm going to cut through both layers of the fabric along the pencil line, and don't use your best dressmaking scissors for this job because microfibre can blunt them very quickly. Now I'm going to get my sewing machine ready. I'm using an overlock stitch which overcasts and seams in one go to stop the raw edge from fraying. But if you don't have an overcast stitch, just sew a straight line and then use a zigzag next to the raw edge. I'm using a size 80 jersey needle for this job. That's a size 11 American. These needles have a rounded tip, and it helps reduce damage to the fibres because it just pushes them aside rather than cutting through them. You can get microtex needles, which are specialists for microfibre and soft fabrics, but this one will do if that's all you've got. Now I'm going to sew in a straight line 1/2 centimetre from the cut edge all the way down. Now I'm going to stitch a straight line down this side that's been already finished by the manufacturer, and finish by tying off the threads and snipping them. And remember to use reverse for a couple of stitches just to tie off the ends of your threads. And turn it through to double check your stitching looks okay. And then we can tie off the ends. Cut them. And then turn it through. And that's it. You've got 2 mitts from one cloth. You could make one for every day of the week for less than the price of a coffee. Thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed seeing how to make these mitts, and I hope you'll come back and see what I make next time on Make It Do It.